Hello, and welcome to the BMRG Group Advisory Program, where today's presentation will be Results Web Mobile 2013. This introduction to Results Web Mobile will give you a look at the functionality and basics around this mobile solution. This practice management tool will give you the ability to be on the go while having a tool to continue to manage your business without having a lot of things to handle when you get back to the office. So without further delay, let's get into the demonstration.
Going to go to a demo site, and this has on it the Results mobile. So here what you're going to be able to do is you're basically able to log in as Mary, the same user that we were logged in as before. You'll notice you still get the same thing. It's a home page. From the home page, you can switch over and take a look at all the client records that are there. So what's open there is for you is a DMC. Same data management center design that we're used to. You're able to do the column searches. You're able to see the rows of data. You're able to do the standard search, including phonetic search on any of those names. You're able to do an advanced search. That's all available to you the same way that you're used to working with the data. The way we do the data on the web, it's a little bit more web style. So instead of having to have multiple tabs going across on a contact record, we do them a little bit more vertical in design, because in a web design you're able to then see the information vertically as compared to having to move from one tab to another. So we'll demonstrate that shortly. I'm also going to show you the calendar that is coming in from within the web product, which looks very much like the desktop product. So notice then your tabs are vertical. You can go to groups, for example, see there. But here's an extra advantage you can get within the web product. You're able to see both activities and the groups at the same time and the invoices at the same time without having to close any of them. So the ability then to engage the data becomes a little bit simpler. You have your typical web. By the way, if you're coming in on an iPad, the system will do automatic sensing of the device and understand that your device can't handle more rows like it can on the laptop. So it will automatically adjust the vertical height of all the DMCs to be applicable to that. You have a full-blown calendar, very much like the one you have on the desktop side, which is actually a multi-user calendar. You have your daily view, you have your week view, you have your monthly view, and then within each of those you can see more than one entity at the same time. So if you're doing a dispatch mode style display, so that you're able to then see if a person is out that day and reschedule their appointments, you're able to do that directly from here. You're also able to see things by department. The final thing I'm going to jump to is to show you the unique view of the mobile site. So let's see if we can do that this way. So if you were on a PDA, you won't have as much vertical space. Whoops. So you're going to come in, and your screen is going to be a little bit more of a 2-inch or 2.5-inch screen. What we've done here is we've given you instantly your to-do list. From your to-do list, you're able to open up the activity itself, update any component to it. It's similar to the links tab that you saw on the other record. You can see who the activity is associated with or who you're doing the work for. So in this case, for example, there's a review of an activity up here. You're able to see where the client's site is, who the account is, their phone number, and edit the information on them. You're able to link an activity to a project or search for another project and reassociate that. So there's a lot of integration being done through here. A most recent release also now has the ability for you to create a quotation. You have the activities module, but you're able to also create or work on quotations from the field. So this is a totally different view of the data. So if you want to take a look at this quotation, for example, you're able to see the summary view. You're able to see the summary view of the quotation itself, who it's for, any of the information on that. You're able to see the billing information. You're able to work on the line items themselves. So notice effectively a person with a phone is able to create a quotation, edit the quotation, capture notes. Using their device, they can take pictures in the field and attach them instantly to the account itself or to the quotation itself, and do a view image gallery. So you're able to see the various images instantly as a slideshow or move through them one record at a time. You're also able to capture a signature on your iPad or your iPhone as you work in the field. So there's a lot of strength and a lot of importance today and emphasis on the mobile. And so the idea then is you're able to come in and through a single interface decide whether you're working from a PDA or a smartphone, or you're working from an iPad or a laptop, which is your leveraging the full width of the screen, or you're coming in and working from a desktop and you're able to work with the same data. At the point that you click Save, everybody else connected to the same data is able to see the information they need to see. Thank you very much for your time and interest in the Results CRM project and Business Suite products.
We want to thank you for joining us for this demonstration on Results Mobile. If you have any further questions, most certainly you can visit our strategic partner page at bmrgadvisor.com, or certainly you can email us at support@bmrgadvisor.com. We'll connect you with the folks over at Results and get you started. Thank you and have a great day.